Hi, my name is Chris Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on drawing cartoons. And today I have a book opening for you, my new book called The Master Guide to Drawing Anime Tips and Tricks. And you're going to love it. Sent right to my home at Anytown, USA. Okay, so let's open this up together, straight from the publisher. Let's see what we've got. This is going to have tips and tricks, give you the professional touch you want in all your anime. What? Captain Kirk? How'd he get in here? Get back in the Enterprise. All right. This is what I was looking for. Tips and tricks. Look at that. Nice cover, huh? Let me show you some of the inside of this book. Go through it together. So it's not just draw this, draw that. What this is going to give you specific things you can do to give your characters that anime look. For instance, here's a tip. The back of the head is round, never flat. A lot of people do that, and it kind of gives it kind of a hard look. Drawing the pupils in the corner of the eyes creates a cute expression by tucking them in. You see that. Here's some more stuff for the shadow under the jaw to give it a look of depth. Boy characters, hairstyles, where to put the shines. Different kind of classic cuts for the guys. 4 basic classic cuts. Fun tips for teenagers. For instance, here's a tip for this kind of kooky, hyperactive teenager. The hairstyle teeters between ridiculous and fun. And over here, adding a pretty little bow on angry characters is funny. So these little humorous tips you can get. More guy characters too. And of course the body and things that you need to know, like for instance the wrist is about the same level as the top of the leg. So you get the proportions right every time. How to create the lapels. And a lot of stuff on drawing hands. Trying to make it really easy, make it work for you. Feet too, breaking it down so you can do it in any pose. We even have stuff here. Working in stages to create color. I'm going from the inks to the flats, the full color into the scene. And drawing couples as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps, and then a nice color version. So anyway, here's the back cover. The Master Guide to Drawing Anime Tips and Tricks. I hope you'll pick it up, take a look at it. 100 essential techniques you need to sharpen your skills. Thank you so much for joining me today for this book opening, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.